What's up, everybody? This is the finished wired bike. That's the brake light that we went with, so we'll test everything. So in Michigan, you got to have high and low beams. Okay, you got to have turn signals. As you can see that sucker working there. We'll go to the other side. There's that one. There's that one. Okay. And we've got the license plate light and then the brake light. Let's see if I can reach this. Oh yeah. To both brakes. So in order to be street legal, you got to have, of course, plate light, brake light with running light, front and rear brakes with a light for each of those, a horn. Got one of those. The headlight with high and low beams. I think that's it. Oh, and a rear view mirror. So I'll probably get a new one of these. This is kind of scratched up, but just something so you can see behind you. And she's a motorcycle. You know what I mean? It's no longer a mini bike or illegal. So now the next step will be I'll call the police basically to come down and inspect the bike. Just make sure that it has all it needs, and then I'll take that form down to the Secretary of State, and they will issue me a title and VIN number. Okay, so then I put the sticker. They'll give me a sticker with a VIN number on it. I put it on the chassis, and we're good to go. We get insurance, registration. We are rocking and rolling on the street, completely legal.